Dabo bigyan ka. Dabo ka?
Vlog. Ah, mayroon. Ah,
Thompson, no?
vlog na to, vlog. Okay, Rit. Doon ka, tabi kay ni Ralph. Tabihan mo naman si Ralph. Kakandong na lang siya, Ginit. Kakandong. Wow! Congratulations, Jewel. Lento mo natin. TV. Ganon TV. TV talaga.
Hi to the vlog.
In the posting wall. So if you don't know about each of the division 3 sites.
Now it's raffle time. Sergio. Shake it. Shake. Yeah.
iPhone yan.
Leo.
Number 6.
Yeah.
Number 6. Number 6.
Oh.
You. True service.
Wow.
UID, give it to me. UID.
Sino? Oh, number 6. Ha?
Number 6.
Oh, number 6. Check your ticket. Sheila. Nothing. Oh, ba't no number?
Number 3 seat.
36.
36.
Yay! Room service. Chicken wings.
Sergio, you like this? Guys, we got the number. Second one for the room service takeaway.
Wow, second one. Let's go. Shuffle. Number
44.
God, malayo. 44. 44. Ano yan? Room service?
Now what you want?
Isomi! Potomaki! Number 8. Lucky number.
Number 52.
Ayan, nalayo.
52.
Sir, nalong 52.
Isumi takeaway. So your ID. And who is Isumi? How did you do that? Second one for Isumi.
Second for Izumi. One more Izumi. Layo.
79.
Bayan. Number 79. Sino?
79 guys.
Nothing?
79 ones.
No one.
Another one.
71 another person. Nobody show up, another one.
Another one. Another one. Next. Next.
That's my number. 63.
Almost, man.
63.
Wow. Shake. For day off. One cross. Number 3. Number 8. Wow.
73. Another one.
73? Again?
He waits. What to do?
What?
73. Put your ID. Put your ID number.
Wow.
Malas na yung harap ng Apple eh.
Asa bang number ako dyan?
Last one.
Last day off?
Come on. Remember the number is
Wala.
number 60.
Pasada. Ole. One more. For sure. 14. Yeah. Where? 24.
Number 40.
Ay, wow, Oliver. Ole. Paisano. Ole. No need going home. Oy, no need going home. Ole, give it to me. What's that, be? Ano yan? Pasta? Sige, magdali. Diha kayo mag-aon na to. Tagayan ako, Nebe. Day. Tagayan niya lang ako. Sabaray ka na. Last. Talaghan para rin. Pizza, mana pizza na pizza. Alikon eh. La, nagkaguliang no. Oy, relax. Ipanggutom mo kung sila gigi public trabaho. Be, pahingi, be. Tama na. Meron silang fettuccine or chicken, may fish, may...
The boss.
Give me your day off, huh?
Yeah, okay.
Give it to me.
I wish, man.
Why?
What do you mean why? Because I deserve it.
Ah.
My life to do that.
You're lucky. You're lucky.
Kaway! Punta pa kayo ni Mayor. Happy birthday!
My face, yeah, I process you.
Ay, sarap. Dahil, punta kami